2 rolls on both sides. Took it for a first test drive. Still getting a little bit of rub, you know. So I think I might have to just cut them. Yeah, I don't know. It wasn't that bad, to be honest, but yeah, it was rubbing. I need to pick up some paint. I think this side was a little worse. Huh. Well, I'm gonna roll the backs here real quick because that ones aren't as aggressive. I'll get those done and then call it a night. Well, we got the rear fenders rolled tonight. So I think there's no spacers on that. I don't think I'm gonna use spacers. It works good. I got clearance. A couple rolls on each side. Got the clearance, but took it for just a little drive. Still lots of rubbing just in the initial turning, but then it clears up pretty quick. And so yeah, just a little bit of rubbing. It was loud and sounded terrible, but might have to go with a 215 tire and not a 225, or maybe even a smaller sidewall. I don't know. We'll see. I have to either roll them again or smaller tire. And they need some paint now too. Great. Okay, I'm out for the night.